Next example 15. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. So this is a proof. Now we consider the LHS side. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So RHS side in terms of tan and secant. Okay. So sin theta is divisible by cos theta. This whole term can be written as tan theta. So, okay. So numerator and denominator are divisible by cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by cos theta and whole divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is divisible by cos theta. This is a balance equation. Okay. So this cos theta, this is whole divisible term, so it can be written as separate terms. So sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta again plus 1 by cos theta. Denominator also separated. So sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. So you know that sin theta by cos theta value is tan theta. So tan theta minus sin theta will be cancelled. So answer is 1. You know that 1 by cos theta equal to secant theta. So this is secant theta by sin theta by cos theta can be written as tan theta. Cos theta will be cancelled. So answer is 1 minus secant theta. So tan theta and secant theta can be written, will be written as nearest terms. So tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 and denominator is tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now taking the conjugate term, denominator this is, so conjugate term this center value plus sign will be convert to minus. So tan theta minus secant theta, so plus term will be changed minus. So minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta. This is a procedure of conjugate. Okay. So again written this term tan theta plus secant theta minus 1. This is whole bracket. Another bracket is tan theta minus secant theta minus 1 divisible by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 whole bracket and tan theta minus secant theta minus 1 the whole bracket. Okay. So multiply. The first term and first term will be multiplied. So tan theta plus secant theta into tan theta minus secant theta. And first term and last. So plus into minus minus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 the same term. So 1 into anything. So next multiply by 1. So minus sign, minus into plus, minus 1 into tan theta minus secant theta, tan theta minus secant theta, minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1, normal multiplication. Okay. Denominator also. So here this is the whole term is A, this is B, this whole term is A and this is B. This is general form of A plus B into A minus B. We know that the formula A square minus B square. Here A equal to tan theta minus secant theta and B equal to 1. Okay. So using this identity, so A plus B into A minus B is A square. Here A is tan theta minus secant theta. So A square minus B square, B value is 1, so B square. Okay. So here also A plus B into A minus B. So here A value is tan theta and B value is secant theta. So using this identity, so tan square theta minus secant square theta minus will be multiplied. So minus tan theta minus into plus minus secant theta. Next minus will be multiplied. So minus tan theta and minus into minus plus secant theta plus 1 whole divided by this is a minus b the whole square. So formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 1 square can be written as 1. Okay. So minus secant theta plus secant theta will be cancelled. So again note that tan square theta plus 1 equal to secant square theta. This is second identity. Here tan square theta minus secant square theta. So secant square theta convert to LHS side. So tan square theta plus secant square theta can be written as minus secant square theta plus 1 convert to RHS side. So it is minus 1. So tan square theta minus secant square theta equal to minus 1. This is coming from second identity. So tan square theta minus secant square theta value is minus 1. So minus 1 minus tan theta and minus tan theta will be added because it has the same sign. So this is 2 tan theta in plus 1 whole divided by again tan square theta because the solution in the form of secant theta and tan theta. So minus 2 tan theta secant theta. Again another one identity. So tan square theta equal to secant square theta plus 1 will be RHS side. This is the minus 1. So secant square theta minus 1 can be written as tan square theta. So denominator secant square theta minus 1 can be written as plus tan square theta. So minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So minus 2 tan theta by tan square theta plus tan square theta will be added because it has the same signs. So 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan theta and secant theta into secant theta. So numerator is minus 2 tan theta. 2 tan theta will be taken common. So remaining is only 1 tan left. So 1 tan theta minus then 1 secant theta is left. So take secant theta. 2 will be cancelled and tan theta will be cancelled. Minus will be converted to denominator side. So minus of tan theta secant theta. So minus will be multiplied. So minus into plus minus tan theta minus into minus plus secant theta. So it can be written as first term plus next term is negative sign. So secant theta minus tan theta. This is RHS hence proved. Okay.